Okay, so let's now talk about how ITC has evolved over the years. In the year 1925, it came into the packaging and paperboard business through way of backward integration, that is going to a back business like production business, etc. And so, before in the 6 decades, the company's existence was primarily given a concentration type of on the growth and in the consolidation of cigarettes, because cigarettes was their main business at that time, and in the leaf tobacco businesses also. Even the ITCs, the packing industry, printing businesses, they were set up in the year 1925 because they wanted to do a strategic backward integration. As I said, the businesses which were kind of, for example, in the production businesses, and then the integration for the ITC cigarette business. And today, the India's most sophisticated, India's sophisticated businesses in the tobacco. Most of the people that is around the age of 19 to 25, they do a lot of smoking, etc. Kind of so. And in the year 1975, their entry was into the hospitality sector. That is basically a welcome move, kind of. In the years of 70s, we have witnessed that they gave a step forward into the corporate world, and they were completely transformed, kind of. And it was a kind of usher movement into the changes in the life of ITC. And furthermore, in the year 1975, the company launched kind of its hotel business. Hotel business was running a great at that time. So, and then firstly they acquired a small hotel kind of in the city Chennai. Then they recrafted it to ITC Welcome Group Hotel, kind of, and the hotel name was kind of Chola. And then later on, it was kind of named Fortune in the city of Chennai itself. Uh, in the hotel business, their objective was that their entry in the hotel business should be rooted in a concept kind of creating this the people staying there, and it should create a value for the nation, the hotel business. And plus they should earn a kind of potential high level of earning a foreign exchange. Plus it should also attract the foreign customers regarding the ITC's hotel business, and regarding the tourism infrastructure, and a high scale of direct plus indirect employment. Apart from that, the ITC hotels business was also trying to grow and they were getting a hell lot of position in the market. And apart from that, overall 100 owned hotel businesses they are owning, and the property their hotel business property is spread across to around many cities and international cities, etc. ITC hotels were kind of luxury collection, is one of the names of hotel. Welcome hotels, Fortune hotels, Welcome Heritage. These are the few hotels which ITC Limited has started off. The hotels are recently looking forward for an international expansion, kind of, with an upcoming super premium luxury hotel, firstly in the city of Colombo, and also in the country Sri Lanka. Apart from that, the in addition to this, the ITC has recently tied up with the group hotels and when very new startup resorts, kind of. And apart from which is in the Dubai, there they have started their 5 hotels, and in India, ITC 5 hotels. That is, we all know well. Just now I spoke. That is the Welcome Hotel brand, and the mid market in the Dubai for upscaling the Fortune brand, the Fortune hotels. So moving forward, in the year 1979, they had started their paper boards and specialty papers diversity, that is paper business, and this was also a kind of backward integration, you can say. So in that year, ITC had started promoting its Bhadrachalam Paperboards Limited, which was its conglomerate, and then they amalgamated with that in the year 2002, March 13, and which also became a division of the company, basically, which is known as the Bhadrachalam Paperboards division. Okay, and in the year 2002, month November, the division actually was merged with the company's Tribeni Tissues division. Okay, what I said was it had joined with Tribeni Tissues, so their papers business was kind of a conglomerate business, and then they merged together. And it was then later on it was known as that it is the ITC's paperboard technology. With the help of its technology, productivity, and the quality and the processes, the business processes, it was like comparably to other